They don't know that I'm hungry. They don't understand that I eat at buffet.
Cook good and look good.
What's up? It's your girl Queen Jones, back live in the flesh, and thank you for turning back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to cook good and look good. Yeah, y'all. Honestly, I have the worst glare on my phone, so excuse me if I'm like looking. I'm just trying to make sure I'm actually on the camera. Y'all, I have a head cold, and I'm not gonna cap you, things have not always been as perfect as they seem, but I'm doing everything I can to get to my dream. When I say life is not as perfect as it seems, shout out to the lovely motherfucking bumblebees that are still getting the pollination on. I had to get a job, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, the reason why I had to get my job is because I didn't want to blow through my savings. And like, I don't want to have a situation where I'm like not having guap. I'm serious. Like, income is important to me, and I did my thing this year is making sure that I was growing, understood that I'm young, having fun. Like, seriously, like, I never do any of the splurges that I've done this year, but baby, I'm done with it though. You know what I'm saying? That's not my lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? It was cool. I had my youngness, but I was in a situation where money was gonna come back in my pocket, and guess what? The fluff and puff it did. It does, and keep doing. It does come back into my pocket. And the job that I have now is actually a seafood joint, and I'm not even tripping because I freaking love seafood. So of course I will be able to get a job there. You know, God wants me to still be aligned, of course, but I had to get a job because being viral requires consistency, and I'm gonna let you know that for me to be consistent, I'm gonna need all the things that I require in life. So I'd rather learn how to balance stuff out now and not have to like just push out of nowhere and feel like I have to go like from working, 8-hour days to 15 to 24. You know what I'm saying? Like, at least now I'm gonna have to be able to keep up momentum, which is important for me because I'm on the spectrum. I like to make sure that I'm well balanced. You know what I'm saying? So real niggas know what it is, and sometimes when you're getting into your dream, it's not that you're diverting from it, it's more so like, do you really want to get to this dream? Yes, I do. Then do everything that you can to get to it. Getting over things is understanding that, like, I am the person that likes to do everything all in one shot. Like, when something hidden happens or something like unexpected happens, I hate that type of shit because I'm a planner. So right now, I decided to take off my insurance. Aside from the LLC and the trademarking, I'm not worried about, because I'm just gonna get everything, all my guap in order. Because like I said in an earlier Queemie business, is that this is going to be a $5,000 journey. I am neurodivergent. I have memory loss. I have to be responsible for the hiccups that are in my company early on. So I'm doing everything that I can to make sure that I'm not going to be in a financial deficit just because I want to be aesthetically pleasing. Aesthetically pleasing is having insurance before you have to sell a product. Aesthetically pleasing is to have everything lined up so you can sell a product. I have an LLC, so as we proceed to give people what they need in the state of Massachusetts, the access will be easily seen and understood and prospered on. Somebody tried to steal my idea at this point. I feel like you are a horrible person. 1, 2, you have no creative character. 3, you should allow yourself to understand I'm the girl that can create this stuff over and over again. So I'm ready to go to war with my product, and that's why I went and started to work again, because to be the brand that I am, I need a level of wealth that replenishes. You know what I'm saying? When all of my platforms that can be monetized are monetized, I can start relying on those streams of income. In my eyes, having multiple streams of income is the way you become the millionaire that you want to be. You know what I'm saying? That's how I've been able to do it. It ain't no thing for me to work a job. You know what I'm saying? It is not a thing. Now, I'm going to let you know, I'm going to get a job that God specifically aligned me for me to work a job. But I'm going to make sure I'm going to be going hard in the paint everywhere else. You feel me? Because there's no need for me not to believe in myself. If anything, I'm putting all bets on me all the time. You know what I'm saying? I'm that type of gambler. I'm a self gambler. And as far as everything else content wise, I don't know if, you know, the devil tries you when you're on the path so strong and heavy, but he do in my eyes, in my life. So some of my things that I've been gathering for Mary Jane and Munchie's studio have been put on hold only because manufacturing issues. And I'm just mad because I'm like, I'm not even at the point where manufacturing issues should be a problem, but it is. And I have to make sure, like, as a producer of content and as a director in some sorts, that I have alleviation and accreditation in all points when it comes to how my platforms look. So that's not on hope, but it's on, like, okay, I see where we can gain in this area. When I realized I was a true entrepreneur, it was like I was able to step out of myself, become the consumer, the customer, the listener, the patron, the janitor, the lawyer, you know, stuff like that. And it hurts sometimes because I'm not going to be perfect on every area, but that's what it requires. You know what I'm saying? Especially when I'm inspired to have a James Beard EGOT Nobel Peace Prize. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't win that type of you don't gain that type of just because you act like you you have to be the and a lot of times people might think that I'm rambling when I'm talking, but truthfully, it's all of the energy that I put behind my belief in myself and what God sent me here to do. And I'm a bet on me before everybody else every time. Not because I don't believe in other people. I just believe in me all the way. And I believe that when I receive something good, God is here for that type of energy. Like, if you be able to see the blessings in your life, God gonna keep on giving them to you. On GP. So, you know, those are my real when it comes to how I'm going through life right now. So content comes in on Wednesday and Saturday. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's your girl Queemie Jones, and I'm out here outside even when it's cold, dog. We out here. Go ahead on with your bath. So I love y'all. Peace. Bye.
Check 2, 2, 1, 2.